How did correcting a teacher's mistake turn you into a school legend? When my math teacher wrote an equation on the board, I noticed something was off. I raised my hand and said, I think there's a mistake in step 3. The classroom went dead silent. Mr. Peterson turned around slowly, like I just insulted his entire family tree. Excuse me, he said, eyebrows nearly touching his hairline. I pointed out the error. He dropped a negative sign. Simple mistake. Instead of thanking me, he crossed his arms and said, if you're so smart, why don't you come solve it? The class let out a collective ooh as I walked to the for a petty move. But fine. I solved it correctly while he watched with this weird smile, like he was waiting for me to fail. When I finished, he checked my work and his face dropped. I was right, but did he admit it? Nope. Instead he said, you got lucky. See me after class. The bell rang, and he handed me a 20-page packet. Extra homework, due tomorrow. I spent 5 hours on those problems. The next day, I handed it in, and he flipped through it with this smug look. Then he froze. I'd worked out every problem, plus the 5 bonus question. You couldn't have done this alone, he accused. Check my work, I challenged. The principal got involved. They made me solve problems in front of them both to prove I wasn't cheating. When I finished, even Mr. Peterson looked impressed. The story spread like wildfire. For the rest of the year, kids would send me pictures of their math homework. Teachers would ask, are you the Peterson kid? My calculus teacher even said, I'm double-checking my work today. When I walked in, on my last day,